What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today we're going to go ahead and get into some of the vehicles that I'm going to be looking at auction that is coming up for Copart this week, and we're going to get into, you know, the ones that I think are decent, and you guys can follow the progress, and then we'll do an auction day one as well, so you guys can see if we won something, didn't win something. You guys have been up my proverbial ass about not doing these because I started doing them and then we were doing it just like it's been so busy, things have been so crazy. So anyways, roll the intro. So yeah, guys, like I said, what we're going to do is we're going to get into Copart. I'm going to take a look at vehicles that are coming up out here my way for the auction the coming week. And I might even look at some stuff in Kansas as well, because I'm going to be out that way, and see what we're able to find, if there's any good deals. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome on in. And it looks like we actually have a Crash Toys auction going on today. Which will come up here in about 20 minutes. I might check that out, but we're going to check out some of the vehicles and boats and things of that nature that are coming up for auction this week in Lumberton at North Carolina. And we got a Prius right now, 3 days. This one looks like it's pretty, smashed. That's not even a Prius. That's a Yaris. I'm over here like Prius. This boat is interesting, though. Buy it now is $575. 575 bucks. I mean, yeah, I'm sure the interior is shot. It's a flood, which means she sank. But if you can just tear all this stuff out, fix the bilge pump, the motor's probably still good unless it's waterlocked. Comfortably numb. Probably an anesthesiologist or something that owned this one. I might have to go out and actually look at this one in person. Like, this one's coming up in 3 days. We might do a dedicated video. I might get the ladder and climb up and get into this one, because for 575 bucks, and it comes with a bill of sale. See, boats are a little different than cars, guys. That is a boat that could be gutted. It's an 81. How many feet is it? Does it say? It doesn't. Well, I'm actually going to physically go look at this one, because this is interesting. This is definitely very interesting. Gilligan's Island, baby. Oh, look. Current bid is 60 bucks. You know what? I'll screw around and put a bid on this for like 80 bucks and win it. And then it'll cost me like several thousand to just get it off the yard. It's 60 bucks, man. Oh, all right. That's very interesting. All right, we got a Ford Taurus, an Envoy XL, a couple of burnt out trucks. And all of this stuff is coming up here in the next 3 days, guys. Oh, we got the, is this one the police one? No, it's a regular one. And I'm not looking for anything too smashed right now. I got one of those already. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to find something that is repairable, you know? Something that I could actually do something with. Now, I know you guys don't want to see this, but I don't know, man. I wonder what this would actually go for. It's a V6, right? 3.7. So not just a... Ooh, damn. Well, yeah, that would be pretty significant. Wow. That's some damage right there, boy. Oof. We got a construction semi. Oh, this one burned. This was the one that had the runaway engine or whatever it's listed as, right? Yeah. Damn. Yeah, no. I gotta be honest, I'm really not seeing a lot of stuff that is something I might want to get into, man. 2,000 vehicles coming up tomorrow. That's a lot of cars. Tomorrow, 3 days from now, I mean. Oh, the Sierra is coming back up. We looked at this before. This has got $4,000. It's at $4,000 right now. It's a very light hit in the front, man. Yeah, I'm going to add that to the watch list. All right. Wrecked X5, no thank you, because it's really bad. Is this the one that had... I wonder if this is the camper that had, like, the meth lab looking stuff in it. No, it was clean, right? Was it the fridge? Oh, busted back window. That's bad. But it's $125. I'll add it to the list. $125. I mean, how bad could it be, right? Dump truck for $11,000. Buy it now. 11,800. Buy it now. Oh wow, yeah, it burnt. Oof. Nope. Yeah, there's that Mazda MPV that had the pole or whatever it was that fell on it. Damn. I know you're going to say, what about that Jetta, TK? No, man. No one's bid on this, though, either. I know better than the... Oh, okay, that's why. That's why nobody bid on it. It's messed up, man. I already got a Volkswagen with a good powertrain. Here's that purple one that me and Slime Pack saw when I had Slime Pack out at Copart. That Charger. It's got a minimum bid, huh? I bet it does. It's messed up, too. It's a 3.6. It's literally trash. But we'll watch it. Yeah. I'm not really seeing... Damn. Well, tell me you really screwed up without telling me you really screwed up. Jesus. Wow. That's ridiculous, man. That right there is ridiculous. Wow. It's a Honda, though. I bet you still goes for over $1,000. Hey, this old 1988 F350, does it run, though? Oh, it's a non-public clean title. I hate that, man. Ooh, I bet it don't run. It'd be a cool little project, but damn. 740. Oh, 74,000. It's got more than that on it. 7.3 liter V8 diesel. Huh. Damn, damn, damn. .550 4MATIC. This one, I've seen this one before. It had a light hit to the rear, I believe, right? And the hydraulic suspension is bad. Yeah. I'm not really seeing anything that's really grabbing me, man. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is it bent, though? That's the thing. That rear quarter can be filled, door, and the front fender. Oh, it's the whole side of the car, man. And it's got 126,000 miles. It does have the 3.0 though. And it's a salvage title. I don't know, man. I'll add it to my watch list. Here's a Harley for $3,600. Clapped out, busted all up to nobody's business right here, man. Woo. Tahoe, yep. Another non-public clean. This thing is ratchet. Oh, it's got trash in it. I'm good. I don't even need to see that at all. What's up with this Lexus? Clapped out. Chevy Aveo, huh? Runs and drives. $625. Buy it now. Hey, man. Oh, boy. Here's a 13 Chevy Cruze with a 2150. Buy it now. These are dealer ones, aren't they? Yeah. Something's up with this, though. That's too cheap. $4,800 for an 08 F550? Wait a minute. Yeah, see, dealer only. Come on, man. See, that's the kind of truck I would buy. I would do something with that. Is it gas, though? Oh, no, it's diesel. Yeah, man. I don't know, man. I have a feeling these are all going to be non-public, right? Diesel only. Yeah, dealer only. Did I say diesel only? That's hilarious. Hey, what's up with this? Okay, what's up with this? It's a dealer only car. Come on, man. I'm going to watch that one. What's up with this? It's got the 5.7 in it. Oh, yeah. I like that. Oh, yeah. Huh. Well, I'm not really seeing, like, there's a couple things that I put on the watch list, but to be honest, there's nothing that's just like, I gotta have it, you know? Not this week, anyway. And then these are all future auction dates, things that are coming up later. Well, I guess that's it. All right, guys, so there you have it. That's what I am looking at for this coming up week, which will be Monday. Will be auction day on some of those items. Nothing really grabbed my attention, so to speak, there. But we'll see what happens, man. There's a couple other things I want to look at. There's actually some bikes that we're going to look at. I might make a separate video for you guys on that. But, yeah, I'm going to be traveling here shortly. So, I got a couple different things in the pipeline that we got to do. I got a, I don't want to call it a rebuild, but I have like a build, like a one-day thing that we're going to do on a truck coming up here soon. And we'll see. Maybe I'll win one of these ones that we put on the watch list here from Lumberton this week. What do you guys think about that boat? That boat is interesting. And even if the motor's shot, as long as the hull and the boat itself is fine, like gutting the stuff on the inside, and there's not a lot of wood rot, I'm gonna, because, you know, the interior, I'm not talking about the hull, but the interior, because it's a glass boat, like fiberglass. So I'm going to go up and take a look at it and climb up in it and, you know, poke and see if I see any rotted interior stuff where she sank. And see if, you know, if I just have to tear out the furniture and stuff that's in there at $575, I feel like that's a pretty decent deal. I mean, putting a rebuilding or unlocking, you know, like if it's waterlogged, the engine in there, which I doubt, bilge pump, interior, that could be, I mean, for cheap, you know, you get the boat for $575, transport's probably going to be like $1,100 out to Wilmington, put it in a boat yard. You know, you probably have $4,500, $5,000 invested into it and have a decent boat to have just at the coast. That's not a bad deal, but I got a lot of other stuff on my plate right now too, I know. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. I want to take a quick moment to thank our sponsors of today's video. LosMobileUSA.com. Use the coupon code TK's Garage over there for a hot discount. And if you're a member here on TK's Garage on the automotive channel, then you get a bigger discount, and that is available in the community tab for members only. And if you didn't know, Los Mobile is the great wireless company that gives you postpaid wireless at prepaid price. You can't even if you had Verizon or AT&T, you can't get this pricing as a business customer or an individual. Like, this is the best pricing you can get in the entire industry. It's unbeatable. So do like some of the other awesome people here in the TK's Garage family do, and go to LosMobileUSA.com and sign up for some service today. With that said, guys, I want to thank you guys very much for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I would truly appreciate it. Over 70% of you guys that are watching these videos are not subscribed, and that subscribe button is 100% free. So go ahead and tap in, hit that subscribe button, help us out, because we're trying to get to 100,000 subscribers in a hurry. And looks like we already broke our 50,000 subscriber goal, and the year's not over yet. I think we're going to hit 55,000 plus before the end of the year, and that's pretty exciting. Anyways, see you guys on the next one.